Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. And in this video I'm gonna show you something unique and something you might have not seen yet or before, but I'm gonna show you a unique way on how to promote Jvzoo products. It can work for affiliate products on Jvzoo, it can work for those on Warrior Plus, it can also work for products on other affiliate marketplaces. But this is a unique strategy that I would encourage you to take and start using from today onwards. So today what I'm gonna do is very simple. You need to watch the whole video all the way through to the end, because I'm gonna be breaking down everything and show you what you can do and how to find these keyword opportunities. Then I'll also show you how to find the perfect product, how to go ahead and find the perfect keyword with the lots of search traffic. I'll also go ahead and I'll give you a bonus at the end of this very video, so be sure to stick around for that at the end. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go and find our affiliate products. Oops, I should close this. So this is Warrior Plus. I don't promote Warrior Plus products anymore because most of the products on here are not that good, but if you can find a good one, great for you. So how do you find a good one? So you go over here to affiliates and hit on find products right here. So you'd go here, look for a product with a high conversion rate, with a good earnings per click, then with a low refund rate. So this Easy Sketch Pro is a good one, so you can go and request approval. But these products here that have a very good metrics here, I had to get approved for. You can see some of this one I was denied, and they will not allow obviously all affiliates. So that's the only downside to being on Jvzoo. If you're new, just expect that it's part of the game, and you should just find other products that you can promote using this very method. So that's the first step. Find a product, high conversion rate, good EPC, and low refund rates. So once you have found the product, you can go ahead and move on to the next step. But before I move on to the next step, I would encourage you to go and try out the website called Muncheye. This is the website right here. It has launches that are coming up, launches that are coming up next week, next month, the other month, all the way towards the end of the year. So when I'm using this website, I would go for products on Jvzoo alone if you want to promote Jvzoo. If you want to ClickBank, you can go for ClickBank one. For this one here, I would promote it very well because it's on ClickBank, and some ClickBank vendors don't require you to get approved. So for the ClickBank ones, you should definitely jump on board all these ClickBank ones, but ensure it's a good product. Don't promote crappy products. It's up to you to promote the right product to your audience. And this one here, I'm covering it in the free YouTube training. If you want to get access to that free training, I'm gonna leave a form below this very video. You should just sign up, and I will let you know once the training is live. It will cover all these methods in detail, and I'll give you some tactics you can use to really make the best out of this strategy. So for this video, I'm just gonna keep it simple. We're gonna use this one down here. Where is it at? Okay, for this example, we're gonna use this one here. Let me zoom in for you so that you see. So it's this one right here, this pixel one, this one right here is the one we're going to be using for this tutorial. So once we have the product, we are going to open up the JV. So just click on the link here, it will have a link, and this should take you to the JV page. This is the JV page, so that you learn about the product. Once you've learned about the product, then you need to know what the product does. This is important when you are using this strategy. This is a unique strategy, and I'm sure most of you haven't even seen this before. Find out what the product does and all the problem it solves. So we can see here a one-stop cloud-based software for all your stock needs, and 15 million searchable premium royalty free stock images, videos. So by just reading this, I know that Pixar Studio which is launching on October 11th, as we have seen on the Jvzoo, on the Muncheye ad. You can see here, October 11th is a platform for stock-free images, and that's really important for this strategy to work. The first thing, what most all affiliates will do, they will go over to Muncheye, they find the Pixar Studio, blah blah blah, they request the affiliate link, they are approved, get the review copy, and just go straight to making a review. This is wrong, and this is not the most appropriate way to promote affiliate products. You need to think long term. If you just go for the review angle, a review is gonna be relevant for only a short period of time. Once the product hype is done, it's done, and you won't see any more hype and people searching for the review. That more people will continue to search for it as the product stays relevant, but that's not the best way to promote it. So once we have known that this product is a free stock footage site, we shall go over to Google, do some keyword research. I've done this many times and I can find good keywords in just a couple of seconds. So we know Pixabay is a stock free site, so I would go to Pixabay and I would add the word alternative. So people who are looking for the alternatives, you can go here and see people who are looking for other sites. So you can make a video about Pixabay alternatives and Splash alternatives. Then in that very video, just include Pixar Studio. That's how easy it is. You just include Pixar Studio and people will naturally go and try it out because it's new. It's not what every other video is doing. All the other videos here are going to be talking about Unsplash and all that other stuff. These are really good videos. They help the viewer, and that's why they are ranking here. You can go and watch some of these videos. These people do a good job. Learn from them and see how they are really making their videos. This YouTube channel is very good, and it does a very good job of showing you the stock free photo websites. Model after their video, but don't copy. And that's how you can really get inspiration from all these channels here. That's one secret way to use YouTube. If you don't want to make videos, I know most people don't want to make videos, but for me, I rather make a video than writing content. You can use a free website, and I'm gonna link up a video right here in the card right now that will show you the video I made before this one, that you can go and watch on how to use a free website builder to rank onto the first page of Google. Go and watch that video, and I'll also leave that in the description as well. So if we search for Pixabay alternative, it's Medium, and with that website you don't need even to know much SEO. You just need is to have the keyword in the title and in the first paragraph, and you're good to go. So you can just go and write an article about the alternatives and just include Pixar Studio right in the description. So for the bonus, as I promised, it's very simple. We are going to be doing what is called coupling products. So by coupling products, it means bundling products and then selling them into bunches. So what do I mean by that? So we have known that Pixabay is a platform for stock free photos and Unsplash as well. Some of these websites have affiliate programs. This is what I call coupling products. You can go and sign up for the affiliate programs for all these stock free photo sites and then promote them in bundles. That's how you do it. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.